And now, breaking news in the fiber optics industry. Keeping fiber optic connectors clean and properly maintained is a definite must. Andersen Corporation, the Australian leader in fiber optic solutions since 1988, has an affordable and easy-to-use cleaning tool for your fiber optic connectors. It's the Rapid Connect MTP MPO One Click Cleaner, and it's fantastic. This pen is designed to specifically remove dust and oils attached to the end face of the fiber optic MTP and MPO connectors and can be used up to 800 times. This will not only save you money, but with a simple push action, you receive a thorough, fast clean with one click. Cleaning MTP and MPO multi-fiber connectors, well, it just couldn't be any easier. Now, as you might expect, from the leader in the industry, Andersen Corporation carries a large stock of MTP, MPO, one-click cleaners, plus an entire line of cleaning products. So, if you wish to get more information about the Rapid Connect MTP, MPO, one-click cleaner, or to see our entire cleaning range, just visit Andersen's website as shown below.